Okay, guys, welcome back. I went to Target and today I found the Blue Thunder Speed Shred. I like the colors, really nice Blue Thunder. Of course, the back. All I need is the Zombie Cyber Flare, the Toro Loco, and the Dragon, and I have the whole set already. The Rec Deck is nice. Hope you saw the unboxing on my channel. There it is, Series 45. Pretty cool. Front of the box. Let's go to open it. Ooh, here it is, Blue Thunder. I love the blue and the yellow. It's like a matte feel. Blue Thunder, and then dark blue tires, yellow rims and beadlocks, yellow roll cage, blue chassis, headlight printing, no grill printing on this one. The bar, and then feel the energy on the back. So I'm guessing it's a Blue Thunder body, but I guess like it's ripping the paint off, I guess. That's why it looks like that. And the decal's like you can actually feel the decal. There's no like clear coat on it. I don't think there's any clear coat. It feels like there's none. Alright guys, I got one more to go. Peace out.